Yummy salad. Pipino at corn in can. Yan. Nilagyan ko siyang mayonnaise. Isang pirasong bawang. Dinikdik ko lang. Sa yogurt. Tsaka liben. Yan guys. Perfect. A little bit of salt. Then, ano pa ba nilagay ko dyan? Yun nga. A little bit of salt. Yun lang. Okay. Yummy yan guys. Dahil ngayon dami na naman naming coming visitors. Ayan, naghahanda na naman si host. Yan ang aking salad. Then, ito yung aking ginagawa na naman. No? Ito guys, so, for my kabsa again. Then, for my marag. And this is the toppings. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.